Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know this is a strange angle, but as you see in the title of this video, I'm going to show you how I made my front porch look super winterized, Christmassy, and just snowy. And I'm so excited to show you how I did this. I was really contemplating on what I was going to do this year, and it just came together. I love everything. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you love all things Christmas and snow. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because we're going to have a lot of videos like this all season long. So let me get started on showing you how I created this wonderful Christmas snowy front porch. So I'm getting started by bringing everything that I have collected over the season and that I have purchased. I'm bringing it out to the front, and I'm showing you the sled I made here. I'll give you all the details on that at the end of the video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Also, midway through the video, I will show you how I did a quick tutorial on how I made these crates look really old and antique, which I think is really exciting to do and saves a ton of money. So I think you guys will like that too. So at this portion, you guys will see Noah and I just putting everything together for the porch. Okay, so here is an actual old or older crate that I got from my friend Christina, and then a normal crate you can buy from Home Depot, Lowe's, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, doesn't matter. I mixed the colors that you just saw there. It was a gray and an antique special walnut, and this is the finished product. I will just say real quick, I did not give it a really heavy staining because I wanted it to have a distressed look. If you see the crates there, you see they have slightly different colors. That is because one is obviously something you buy in the store and one is something that is a little bit older. But I like it. So when I did it, I just brushed it on real light with the gray and then filled in the gaps and the like bare pieces or the bare spots with the darker walnut, and then just kind of did what I had to do and made it look that way. I really like the look. It gives this front porch a little bit more color, adds some depth, some age, if you will. So it's the way to go. Again, everything that I show you on this front porch, I will give you details and dollar amounts at the end. But for now, you just get to watch Noah and I decorating everything, and you'll see the method behind the madness. So I am just using some clear push pins and pressing them in, and I'm not actually putting it through the garland. I'm pushing it in there and kind of hanging the garland around it. It was the night. I am the type of person that if I don't necessarily feel ready to decorate once I get started, oh my gosh, I am in the mode, get out of my way, and I can go on for hours. That is one of the reasons why I like to clean and craft at nighttime, because if I choose to go on for hours, nobody is bothered because they're in bed. And then time almost came to. I am loving this buffalo snow here. I got this from Target. I looked all around for it, and this is my favorite so far. It's got little iridescent specks and glitter pieces in it, so you will kind of see what I'm doing. I will tell you that I'm the type of person that I sometimes need a little inspiration with the picture, so I did go on Pinterest maybe a month ago and just kind of scoured for some ideas, and the one thing that kept resounding and resonating with me was snow. I love snow, and if you guys are new to my channel, I am from Tennessee, so we don't get cold here, and we definitely don't get snow. So it's always a little bittersweet during the holidays because it's still pretty warm here, but I'm really trying to embrace where God has me now. And if I want some snow, then I'm going to put some fake snow down, and that is what you guys see. So that is what resounded and resonated with me this year, was lots of snow, icy, you know, sparkly, beautiful, just, I don't know, just things that made me give me all the feels, you know. And today, it was actually 52 degrees in Florida, so I was like, oh my gosh, yes, today is the day to tackle the front porch. So you see here, I am just adding a little more snow. I actually got this idea from Bentley Blonde. Follow her on Instagram. Well, follow me on Instagram and follow her on Instagram. But she had dollar store Swiffer pads that she put on her tree, her King of Christmas tree. I think that's what it's called, and I really, really want one of those flock trees. And it made so much sense. I was like, oh my gosh, that is an aha moment. You could use cotton balls. I'm not kidding you. But look, you add like little chunks of it there, and boom, it gives it a nice, thick, snowy look.
Decorating the tree from this Christmas sun. From this Christmas sun.
This bow here I made, and I will give you more details on that, but I am just adding snow in more places on the front porch, just seeing where it goes. You'll see that I'll put things somewhere and I will move it again. Nothing is secure during the season because you know what? I might come back tomorrow and move it all over again.
Decorating the tree from this Christmas sun.
You get to see my sweet Noah being so cute. He kept saying, Mom, look, I have white hair. Mom, look. Mom, look, I have white hair. And I thought he looked so precious. I will say I prefer the red, but the white was looking rather precious on his sweet little face. I love being a mom. He is, my strong-willed baby. He is my heart. They all are. Side note, it's just so crazy when you have kids and you think, I'll never, like you love, get one, you have one and you're like, oh my gosh, I love you so much. How could I love another? And then you have another and then you have another, and I have 5. And it just fascinates me how my heart expands with each and every child. It's awesome. So I am adding the other side. I'm going to add some snow here. I got this from Walmart as well. You guys, Walmart is killing it. I mean, real deal. They are killing it. Yep, so I'm going to give a little shake here because that is how I roll. I'm feeling so excited and super accomplished that the front porch is about to get done. And honey, I have got to get it even more snowy. So I'm giving this stuff a try. I figured, you know, why not? So I'm going to spray all the window panes or all the little squares with snow. I don't want to overdo it because in reality, I actually do look at what it really looks like and I don't want it to look fake. So this stuff is pretty good. I will say it's a little messy, but that's okay. I thought it was really funny when Ruby came to me later on. I kept seeing like this white clump on her nose and then realized I had sprayed over her little spot in the door. Anybody else have a dog that has a spot on the slider door or the French door or wherever it is, just a sticky little spot where her nose always goes. So I went back after I filmed this and wiped it down her little square so she could see all the passerbys and irrationally bark at everybody. I think it's the poodle in her. None of my labs have been barkers, but that girl there, that girl barks. Now with the help of my son Drew, which he loves Christmas like I do, he's going to help me out and I am going to spray his arm, not intentionally, but I'm going to do the other side of the door. Side note, if you have a really dark entryway or wherever you plan on using this spray snow, this does block out a lot of light, so just think about that before you use it. I'm actually really liking that. Okay, so here we go. You guys saw me do this, and you saw that I stained that with the special walnut and gray stain. You guys saw that. I just picked this up from Walmart. It was $4.98. That was from Hobby Lobby. All of that was from Hobby Lobby. The pine cones my mom gave me. The Buffalo Snow was from Target. It was $4. I could not find it anywhere else. This was from Target last year. It actually had real greenery on it last year. When the greenery died, I took it off. This is from Hobby Lobby. This is something I found, but you could buy it anywhere. And I made this bow from ribbon from Michaels. I bought the ribbon 2 years ago. I think they still have it, but I made this bow last night. Yes, I'm holding Legos. Then I added a little bit of snow on the bottom, another pine cone. That was $3. This was a little precious little tree from $3. It was $3 from Target this year. This is from Home Goods 2 years ago. I made this sign 5 years ago. This is before I really got into making signs. And you know what? I just love the rustic look to it. And its meaning. Added a little bit of buffalo snow up here. This was purchased from Michael's this year. I bought 2 of them. They were $20 plus 50% off, so $10 each. I love them because they have a little bit of that glistening, and you know I'm all about the glistening snow, you guys. And honestly, at first I was like, okay, it needs to go all the way down and all the way across. But when I saw the swag, I like it. I like that it's kind of, I like it. This wreath here is 18 years old. Somebody made that for my mom, and it's been shoved away, and I took it and I painted all the white on the leaves and the pine cones. Let me get you guys closer. I painted all those pine cones, dusting of the leaves, because it's really well made. It's held up for 20 years, you guys. And I just put it up there because it just adds a pop of color. This wreath here I made with my sweetheart of a friend, Abby. I believe this was last year. We had a craft party. Let me know if you guys would ever want to see how craft parties go. They're a lot of fun. And I helped host it. And I helped all these amazing sweet ladies make wreaths. And this is how it came out. And I love it. I love it. Dollar Tree. And I do spray them with a UV spray so they last. I decided not to get a new rug. Yes, you can see the little specks of snow and everything. I didn't want to get a new rug because this message here is good through every season. But I am loving how everything turned out. Look at it from afar, like from far away. I really love it. I think it's really sweet. And I love, like, it's frustrating because I don't feel like my camera is doing justice to how cute it all is. But just the little bits of snow. And honestly, when you're walking up to my house, let me just show you the walkway. Like when you're walking up, it looks really sweet. And it's so sparkly. And it's important for us to keep the meaning of what Christmas is for us. So, and then have a little cardinal. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this cute little tutorial on how I made my front porch look all Christmas and snowy and winterized. And I honestly have to say I absolutely love it. If you guys see anything that you need help with or you want to know where I got something, don't forget to leave in the comments below. I will be posting videos like this all season long. I am doing Vlogmas, so you will see me every single day. You're going to get to know my family really well. I am excited to do this with you guys. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thumbs up this video. I would greatly appreciate it, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye guys.